Hi everybody. Today we're doing a really fun project, tie-dye. And you can just do it on a paper towel, and next week we can try it on fabric. But for practice, today we're just going to look at some colors and patterns of tie-dye cloths from Africa. Notice the different shapes, the different colors, and the designs. All of these colors come from natural things like plants. This is the indigo plant. We're going to see what things you have at home that you can make dyes out of. So look around your kitchen for things that you can use to make a dye. Turmeric makes a really bright yellowish orange. Grape juice works good. Onion skins, if you boil them, will make a yellow. I just microwaved this for 2 minutes and it made a good yellow dye. Raspberry tea makes a light pink dye. Beets make a very dark red color. So I'll show you all the colors that I made. Here's the raspberry tea. It's a light pink. Here's the turmeric. I boiled it for maybe 5 minutes and then let it cool off. Here's the yellow from the onion skins. I didn't have anything for green, so I'm using food coloring mixed with a little bit of water. It's very messy, so if you have gloves, you should definitely wear gloves, or just be very careful and definitely do it outside or cover your table. I couldn't find anything for blue, so I'm using food coloring. Now I have every color of the rainbow. So to dye a paper towel, you need to get a piece of cardboard or something to put it on when it's done. And this paper towel is a little wet. You can use a dry paper towel or a wet paper towel, but fold it up in a cool way, any way you want. Practice different folding designs. Just make sure you crease each fold really well and fold it into a small piece so you can put it in the dye easily. When you dip your paper towel into the colors, try to only put the white parts of your paper towel in the color because they'll bleed together. So to do this blue, I'm just putting the white part in. As you dye it, you can unfold parts to get more white. Your paper towel will get very wet, so you have to be careful not to unfold it until it starts to dry. This is about 15 minutes and it's still very wet. It's starting to rip, so I'm not taking it apart yet. But I noticed the pink didn't really come out, so I'm gonna put a little more pink. And then let it dry for an hour. While that one's drying, I'm making more. Just remember to crease each fold really tightly. And only put the white parts in the dye. These have been drying in the sun for a while, but they're still very wet, so I'm just unfolding it a little bit at a time. It's very, very delicate. This is my favorite napkin from Dunkin' Donuts, so I'm gonna try to dye it. I tried to make black dye with dirt, but it came out gray.